Guys, and today I am going to be doing a funny cat video because my cats are hilarious. But this isn't funny cat video clothes. So let's get into them. Whoa, that's better. Now let's get on to it. Number 1. Let me in the laundry room. Can I come in, please? Can I go in there, please? Can I please go in there? Please? Please? Can I go in there, please? Please? Oh, never mind. Number 2. This is really comfy. This is really comfy. Oh, never mind. I don't think it's comfy anymore. Let me go over there. Number 3. What is that strange sound coming out of that room? What's this strange sound coming out of that room? Can you hear it? What's that sound that's coming out of there? Can I know, please? Bye. Number 4? Yeah, number 4. I'm just gonna stare down the stairs. What's going on? Kitty, bye. Bye. Number 5, eat the cardboard. Or is this number 6? Competent boy. What are you doing, Carmel? Number 6, starey, stare, stare, stare. I just want to stare at everything.
Sitting down or nothing.
Number 7, randomness. Number 8. This is number 8. Chunk, chunk, chunk. My cat is so chubby. Hold on. Just skinny. Number 9. I love boxes. Boxes are good. Boxes are amazing. I just want to sit in them and play on them all day. Cat crazy. Number 10. More randomness. Ding. appreciate all this randomness of these funny cats. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and share. And bye.